Have you ever noticed that some people almost never post anything online? No selfies, no updates, no constant sharing. In a world where attention is currency, staying silent seems unusual. But psychology suggests it often means something powerful. People who rarely post their lives online are often more secure, self-aware, and mentally independent than most realize. 1. They don't need outside approval. Many people post for attention, validation, or reassurance, but some people already feel secure within themselves. They don't need likes, comments, or reactions to feel valuable. Their confidence is private, not performative. 2. They protect their personal energy. Highly self-aware people understand that not everything needs to be shared. They prefer keeping parts of life sacred, private, and peaceful. To them, privacy feels more valuable than popularity. 3. They live in the moment. Some people don't stop to document everything because they're busy actually experiencing it. Instead of recording memories for strangers, they enjoy memories for themselves. They choose presence over presentation. 4. They don't compare themselves easily. Social media often creates silent competition. Who looks better, happier, richer, more successful? People who post less usually understand this trap. By staying detached, they protect their peace of mind. 5. They know identity is deeper than image. A profile can never capture a real personality. Emotionally intelligent people know they are more than filtered photos or public opinions. They build character instead of branding. 6. They think before they share. Impulsive people post everything. Reflective people pause first. They ask themselves, does this matter? Is this real? Is this worth sharing? That mindset often comes from maturity.